everyone, welcome to the new video in the series of BackupExec16, and today I'll show you how you can add an existing managed BackupExec server to the central admin server. So if you've been following this track, last time we upgraded our media server to the role of central admin server. So as you can see that the server name is BE16 and it is acting as a central admin server. And as you can see that we have not configured or any storage. That will leave it for our next video. So the name of our two server is BE16, which is acting as a CAS, and the another server, which is server 2016, will add it to the CAS server and it will be acting as a managed BackupExec server. So let me quickly flip over to the server 2016, and I've already added the installation media here, so let me open that. Let's go to the browser. Select the language and OK. And I will go to the installation, and under the BackupExec I'll select install, and the process has been initiated. So as I also mentioned last time, the whole idea of adding managed BackupExec server to the CAS is that if you have a very large environment, you can control everything from your central admin server from the one management console. So I will accept the terms of the licensing, hit next. It's a typical, I will select the custom installation because I will, in the custom installation, I will tell that I will want the server to be acting as a managed BackupExec server, and select next, and select the first option, select next again, and it's gonna do some environment check. So once the server has been installed as a media server or as a managed BackupExec server, when we'll go under the BE16 and under the storage, we'll see hopefully the name of our server 2016 over here, if everything goes as per the plan. Okay, so let me flip over and select next. And under the add licensing, you will import the Veritas licensing file, which I've already installed on my desktop. So let me select desktop and select the file, and select next, select next again, and under this make sure that you select the option of manage BackupExec server, because that is what this server will be acting as, and you can choose all the other options, so agent for application and database, dedupe if you want, right? And you select next again and select next. You can give the path where you want to save the folder, but I will leave it to the default, and next again. I'll have to give the password. And here I have to give the name of my central admin server. So the name of my central admin server is BE16. So let me give BE16. and the server will be managed centrally by my central admin server, and you'll select next. And you'll get a brief summary of the selections that you have made, and I will hit install. Now this process will take some time, so what I'll do is that I'll pause the video, and after the installation has been completed, I will come back. Okay, so we are almost at the end of the installation, so I have resumed the video. So hopefully we'll get the managed BackupExec server on our central admin server. So let's wait for a minute or so. So it's starting the BackupExec services on this, and as you can see that the logo has also appeared on the server 2016. So let me flip over to the BE16 and let me see if there is. Yes, so as you can see that under the storage, server 2016 has been added, and it's still discovering devices. So after everything is done, we should be able to configure the storage and everything on this one too. So just let's wait for the installation to complete. So it's very important that when you're doing the installation locally, when there's an option for typical or custom installation, make sure that you choose the custom installation, because if you do the typical installation, it will just take it as a media server, and you won't have the option of selecting the managed BackupExec server the way we did it. So make sure you have the custom installation done in this one. So it's still starting all the BackupExec services. So if I go back to the storage, as you can see that server 2016 has appeared over here and it's online. So this is the way you add multiple servers to your central admin server, and from one management console you can control all of them. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.